And then Saint Germain, the dumbass, brings in like a Trojan horse and destroys it from the inside.
Yeah, what the fuck? Randomly death, dude. Like how will it end? How? And they're like, yes, it'll end like the game ends. Let's get death here again.
Do they show him as Barney
Last
in the
boss
game?
fight with death. I don't remember that much, bro. Played it when I was a kid.
Yes, they do show him as Audi in the game.
Yes, Audi apparently.
Yeah, but that felt like a Kaguya type of moment.
Yeah, that
honestly.
exactly. That's what Kaguya. Like they're randomly like, oh, now final boss appears here in the last episode.
Okay, and I have one more question. Like, I will go into my points after you guys are done. But why does Barney even turn himself into death when Saint Germain was going to do the damn thing he wanted anyway?
I don't know why he was
Like-
Barney in the first
Yeah.
place.
No,
Like,
that's
if
fine.
he's
Like,
so-
you know,
no,
he's
if
like
he's so
pulling
strong,
the strings from the
Is
background
he,
and all that.
no, but is he really afraid of Dracula if he's so strong? Is my question.
He's not.
He's not afraid of Dracula. He wants to use Dracula. So he's
Yeah,
like
but-
trying to pull the strings of mortals from behind the scenes. But he didn't want to show that he was death because then
Yeah.
people would be like, okay, I don't want to help you because you will end up killing everybody. So I'm not going to bring Dracula back because you want me to do it. But then Saint Germain was like ready to do it, and Barney was like, hey, I am please bring back, please. I need Dracula. And Saint Germain was like, hey, dumbass, just go away. I'm bringing back Dracula. And then he's like, oh, I am death. Hey, I'll kill you right now if you don't bring back Dracula. I'm like, yo, why? He's bringing back Dracula anyway.
Yeah, what
it
the
seemed
fuck
a bit
was that?
unnecessary.
Also, that weird ass body like that they put him in. Like, what the
The
fuck
Regis.
was that?
Yeah. I have no idea.
Holy shit, that shit
Is that
was
supposed to be a
cursed.
thing? Is that like
And by the way, a lot of like first of all, also I don't know if I missed it, but when before the last battle in the castle started, like the people who were making the monsters and all these weird monsters with different power levels, like where the fuck did they come from? Like how the fuck did the guy get his hands on
They're all
them?
from hell,
He got them from hell?
I'm assuming.
I mean they
'Cause
do
they
have a
didn't
lot
give
of
any
vampiric
information on that,
magic and
right?
rituals and stuff, so it makes sense that they can summon monsters
And
from
those
hell.
4 people, those puppet masters who were like making those guys, they're
Yeah,
from
They are
they're-
also
they're just
sorcerers, no?
vampires.
Yeah, they were just vampires.
Ah, okay. I
They're
thought they were
vampire
them from
magicians.
hell
Oh,
and
they
they
were
were like,
vampires who were Sasori based. So they were like,
Ah.
I have string. I stitch together body with one boob
Dude.
and not both for some
but
reason.
the amount of the power level of the demons they got was so much more than the ones Dracula got when he wanted to destroy the world.
That
Like he
is
just
true.
got like shitty minions. Like I was like, if you could get these crazy
but then
creatures.
again, Dracula was more about like in making the individual suffer as much as possible.
Yeah,
while
that's
these
true.
creatures would have just obliterated a town immediately.
Yeah, they would have destroyed all of Wallachia, like gone,
Yeah.
like no chance for humans.
But Dracula wanted each and every person to suffer because he knew that his wife got burnt. So he was like,
Yeah.
she suffered and died. You guys gonna suffer
You
and
guys
die as
gonna
well.
suffer, and yeah, dude, the amount of
And-
depression they put him in is like crazy.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't wanna, just kill me already. I'm gonna kill you all before if you don't kill
Yep.
me.
So wait, if that's the case, can death actually sponsor Dracula with any power or something, extra power to?
Does Dracula need any power?
Dude, have you?
No, like you said that he doesn't get as much power as these guys did towards the end now. So that if death was next to him all this while, couldn't he have just come out of his original form like, yo, I'm death. I need you to do this. I can give you whatever the fuck you want. Couldn't he have just done
Okay,
that?
Adi, I will explain this. Imagine Sid was Dracula.
God.
Okay.
Okay.
Sid's having fun killing people, and then he gets depressed and he starts killing people more.
Mm.
Okay. And then death comes up to him.
Mm.
He's already killing everybody. As death, you are very happy.
Mm.
But then you go up to him and you're like, hey, I'm death. I'm really happy with the work you're doing. Keep killing people. I'm enjoying it.
Mm.
What would Sid do?
The exact opposite.
Exactly.
Exactly. Oh, you want me to kill people?
Fuck you. I'm killing shit.
But
Yeah.
that's Sid. This is Dracula we're talking about. This guy has
Have you seen how
You're
proud he
talking
is?
about
Have you
you're
seen
talking
his
about a
pride?
person
Yeah.
drunk on power.
Yeah.
I
He
guess.
has a lot of pride.
Lot of pride, yes.
Hmm.
He can't take authority from anyone.
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense for Dracula, I guess.
Also,
yeah.
as death, you don't really need to. You're like, oh, this dude paced. He's gonna destroy humanity.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
I just eat souls, I guess.
Mm.
But
Yeah.
yeah, that was, and also like I would have liked it more if Belmont actually died in the end. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Of course.
Not a fan of happy endings where everyone lives, even though people may like them.
Yeah, but then
And they
I'm
were like,
they're
"He
probably
so-"
like, hey, the Belmont family just dies off except for that one kid who most likely might just die due to some
Yeah,
random ass
yeah.
demon coming and killing it. So they were like, let Belmont come back and make more kids with Cypher so that they can make like more monstrously
more
strong
monstrous.
babies
Yeah.
and
Yeah, more monster
continue
hunters.
both the
Legacy.
continue
Yeah.
to get the bloodline
Mm.
down. Yeah.
Yeah, but they were like, oh, Infinite Corridor was open. I randomly came out
Yeah,
of it again.
even the
I was like, what?
stupid weapon that he conveniently
Yeah,
put
yeah,
together
yeah.
with
Yeah.
different
Oh
parts.
yeah, that shit. Yeah, exactly.
It's like all
But
through the show he's like fuck all of you and then suddenly he's like, oh, this is sword.
This is all.
I
put
intuitively
all in
knew that these two things fit together, even though I am a drunkard. Fuck, Audie's had a sword
Oh,
this whole
Audie,
time and he
Audie,
never
oh.
showed it.
Yeah, Audie, what the hell?
It's a
There were so many podcasts where he could have done
small
it.
dagger,
Yeah.
basically.
Wait. Bro,
I don't think we should be
Audie,
showing
bro, no
this.
weapons, no weapons, bro.
Audie, do this. Closer.
Yeah, we are getting demonetized for sure.
The one thing I actually wanted to ask, the Infinite Corridor thing towards the end that saved out Trevor.
Oh yeah.
Didn't they
also-
show Death eat the souls from that
Yeah.
spoon? Didn't they show Death?
Was
The spoon, the key,
was
sorry.
Dead that lady? That lady was also dead
Yeah,
right
the-
in the corridor who was debating him. Yeah.
But that key was basically useless. He didn't have any powers to be able to control the Infinite Corridor without that key, right? Didn't he have to collect like souls before that in order to open the Infinite Corridor to begin with? So
Didn't he do
collect
that?
more souls from
Yeah.
the deaths that happened
with what?
Greta's
Yeah.
village.
That you saw the souls
Huh, but
going
then
inside.
towards the end that saved Trevor. How did he manage to save Trevor by opening the Infinite Corridor and controlling it?
Because he closed the Infinite Corridor, so
How did he open it
the
again
souls
to
get
save
used up.
Trevor?
Mm.
Yeah, but imagine it like a philosopher's stone. If you don't die, you still have the souls inside.
Yeah,
But
you
if
still
do
have
die,
it
the
in-
soul dies along with you.
Yeah.
He had the souls
So
in
he
him.
closed the Infinite. He had the souls in the key.
The
and he
key
opened
was
Infinite
the key
Corridor,
was
and then he closed it.
but the key was consumed after that. You see Death eat the key again and then just absorb the whatever's inside the key and then spit it out. Didn't you see that scene? Isn't that
I don't remember that actually.
there was a scene where this thing Death
He
straight
ate the
up
key
takes
and
the key
spat it
from
out?
him, eats the key, absorbs whatever's inside the key, then spits it out, and the key doesn't have that light and shit anymore on it. And I was like, okay, so he can't use the key anymore. But then all of a sudden they
Oh.
use this to open the random Infinite Corridor, and he somehow controls it even after that, and somehow Trevor is saved because
Yeah, I mean that whole part was bullshit.
Yeah, that was bullshit.
Like Trevor conveniently jumps behind him with
Yeah.
all those rocks,
Mm.
and Death is like, I have no idea where he is. I'm only omniscient and omnipresent, but I don't know where he is. And then he goes, oh, you're behind me. Oh,
he could have just
shiny
been like,
light.
oh no,
Oh."
here is a fly, and he could have just swung past him for all he knew.
Dude, it was proper game boss, but like I attack slowly like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also,
Ah.
okay, right at the end, if this is the weapon and I am
Yeah.
dead, he just goes and he's like, plonk.
Yeah, he just
That's it.
hits him on his head, and that's
Okay.
it. Right there.
You just booped him and he died.
So it was just a
Yeah,
mini
that
game in the
too,
end. It was
like-
not even going to be full health.
And what does that mean for this world? Like, is Death dead?
He's just a
They say Death
vampire.
is
He's
just
not
a vampire.
Yeah, he's not a
Yeah, it's
proper
not the real
death.
this thing. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
vampire
but he's
called
also
Death.
not a vampire because he's
He's
more
he's
than a
just-
vampire.
That's
he's
actually
strong
so. I thought there was
stronger
like different
vampire.
vampires so that consume
and he
different
comes to
things.
steal. He comes to eat the souls of the people who
Huh.
die.
But he's supposed to be
Yeah.
like
So he's not a vampire who relies on blood. He's a vampire that
yeah,
relies on
he's an
souls.
ancient
souls.
So
vampire.
that technically does make him goddamn Death, who's supposed to take souls.
Technically,
so does that mean
but
souls don't
he doesn't
go anywhere?
No, well, I don't know. Like souls,
It's like, hey, I died, and then it's like, the soul is just like,
souls are shown as a resource
Hello?
in this, and souls seem to
but,
be used either in like
See,
rituals.
souls anyway go to hell, right?
Yeah.
Or whatever, wherever, like in the world. Death just consumes them for
not
himself.
necessarily. You just
Like
haven't
here-
seen a heaven.
No, but here death.
Well-
Here death doesn't take the souls. He consumes them. He eats them. But you also
But
see
has it been
souls in
mentioned
hell.
that he doesn't take them for
Yeah,
places?
because he keep.
He
because
at the end
only
of the
says
day,
that
he's
he
just a
consumes
greedy
them.
being. He just eats
Yeah.
souls because he has to eat it and he wants to eat it. He doesn't.
Yeah.
There is
He
no
doesn't
god
take
like
them.
this thing
Yeah.
about him. Aside from the fact that he's a fucking ancient being, and he's developed a sense through and through. But from at the basic sense of it, he's no god. He's just another vampire that eats something different. That's all. He's just there since the beginning of
I don't
life.
think he's okay. Wait, it says here that he's a being born out of chaos, which in turn came about from the evil in the heart of humans.
Hmm.
So basically, he's not a.
He's pseudo vampire.
Why
I
do
don't
they
know.
say that in the show then? In the show they say he's a vampire.
They show him as a vampire as well. He has like vampire
I think,
teeth
I
and
think
shit.
people just don't understand him, and that's why they say he's.
They're just assuming. Because they're like, oh no, he's
Yeah,
not
they're
the
like-
actual death, he's just a vampire called Death. They do say that. That's why I'm like.
Yeah,
oh,
but they
okay.
don't have a. It seems like they don't
Because-
actually have an understanding of what death is,
Yeah.
except for Belmont.
Because in the game, like the original one I played, like the last boss is the Grim Reaper. That's what we know him as. You
Oh.
know? So I like.
Oh,
here
they
I was
mention
like, oh, wait, is
him
he
as the
actually
Grim
a
Reaper.
vampire?
They
Like,
don't mention him as a
Yeah,
vampire.
that's what I thought he was.
Huh.
Yeah. So I'm like, interesting.
So this was all a rushed ending then? What was this?
I don't know.
This is very.
Okay, so apparently, Death is extremely loyal to Dracula and is Dracula's most trusted servant, and he's technically Dracula's second in command.
Death is Dracula's second in command.
Basically Isaac.